In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix mouse left or right click button not working. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Just go ahead, type in command prompt, open as administrator, then just give it some time to load. And from here, just type in devmgmt, then type .msc, then hit enter. After that, just give it a moment to load, as you can see. And now just go ahead, select mice and other pointing devices. You can scroll down with your arrows. In my case, my mouse is working, so just go ahead, do it. You can right-click on this and update driver simply from here. But if you don't have the mouse working, you can just go ahead, click on this, hit enter, then go ahead, click on shift to select driver. Just go with your right arrow. So now if you do this, you will go to driver, then hit tab again. You will be here for driver teachers. You can see here the details of your mouse driver, then click out. After that, click on update driver, then hit enter again, then hit enter again. And from here, you should see the drivers update that are available and hit enter, and then give it some time and your mouse should work. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.